Ugh. 9, zoing. Hang on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 door closers. 4 bloody arms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Would you please stop it, Father Christmas? I don't like you anymore. I'm scared. Now look what you've done to me fucking sofa, bro. You're taking the piss. You really are. Look on the bright side. At least your living room looks like a fucking scrapyard now. No, I know. Tell me about it. Cost me an absolute fucking bomb. Where was I? Got to keep up with my lyrics. "50 door closer arms." Oh, piss off. 2 other turtle doves. Do these look like doves to you? No, they're not. They're fucking door closers. And a partridge in a pear tree. No, it wasn't. It was a sliding door closer in a fucking tree. There we go. Oh, thank you, Father Christmas. Just what I wanted. A lovely sliding door closer. What make is this one? Oh, it's an Assa Abloy one. Very nice. Thank you, Father Christmas. Appreciate it. On the 6th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me. Don't you dare send me any more door closers. I've got enough. You're going to fucking have me through the signal in a minute. 6 geese are laying. Are you really sure? Are you really sure? Are you sure that's fucking 6 geese are laying, bro? Okay. Please stop it, God. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 geese are laying. No, I'm not just shush. I'm trying to do a bloody Christmas video. Come. 6 geese are laying. 5 go door closes. How many more does Father Christmas want to send me? Got 500. 2. Are you going to stop now, Father Christmas? Because you're really starting to weigh me down. I'm disabled. 5 go door closes. 2 turtle doves. Father Christmas, please, honestly, next time you send these down the fucking chimney, please stop sending me too many. Can't cope. Lost my lyrics now. 4 calling birds, 3 French hens. Two turtle doves. Hang on a moment. I've not got a broom. Two turtle doves. No, it's not. God, fuck's sake. Father Christmas. I asked for a turtle dove, not another bloody door closer. Oh well. Jesus Christ almighty. And a door closer in a pear tree. Oh! Isn't it lovely? It's a dormer one that is beautiful. Bought that one brand new, cost me an absolute fortune. 50 quid. All in all, on my sofa, I spent £650 on eBay. Plus all these ones. On the 7th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 7 swans are singing, 5 geese are laying, 2 more boxes of door closers, and I fucking can't take anymore. And another door closer in a petri. Oh, look at that, surprised that ain't fell over. On the 1st day of Christmas, my true love sent to me a door closer in a petri. On the 2nd day of Christmas, my true love sent to me a door closer in a petri. On the 3rd day of Christmas, my true love sent to me a door closer in a petri. On the 4th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me a door closer in a petri. On the 5th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me a door closer in a petri. Alright, Father Christmas, you want to stop? On the 6th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me a door closer in a petri. These are going to kill me in a minute. On the 7th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me a sliding door closer in a petri. Take that off, the case gets damaged. On the 8th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me a door closer in a petri. On the 9th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me a door closer in a petri. On the 9th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me a door closer in a petri. On the 9th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me a door closer in a petri. On the 10th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me a door closer in a petri. Ow! Hurt my finger. I'm gonna tell my mum. On the 9th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me a door closer in a petri. Where? Can't see one. Why? Well, because they're all fucking here. Oh, duh. On the 11th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me a door closer in a petri. On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me a door closer in a petri. On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me a door closer in a petri. Would you please stop? Gonna have a hernia in a minute. I've got a heart condition. Fucking can't move. Your heart feels full of junk. I've got heart palpitation. 2 seconds. Stop it. I need to slow my heart down. Hang on. We'll just turn the slowing down closing speed. I'm fixed. Perfect. On the 14th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me a door closer from eBay. On the 15th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me a door closer on a petri. Can't see them in a minute. I'm going to be buried in them. Can't get me breath singing. On the 17th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me a sliding door closer on a petri. On the 18th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me. Would you please stop it, Lyric? It's really horses for life with door closers. A door closer in a petri. You're gonna kill me in a minute. I'm gonna die in these. God, I don't want any more door closers. These weigh a ton. On the 20th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me a door closer airship by Royal Mail. Oh, On the 22nd day of Christmas, my Torula sent away a door closer in a battery. On the 23rd day of Christmas, my Torula sent away a door closer in a Christmas tree. On the 24th day of Christmas, my Torula sent to me. Gonna take my arm off in a minute. A door closer, I can't breathe. In a petrol. Thanks, CLA. She sent me her door closer. She didn't actually. She ripped it off her door and she posted it to me. Thank you, darling. Love you. On the 28th of Christmas, my Torula sent to me. A door closer in a petrol. On the 29th day of Christmas, my Torula sent to me. A door closer in a petrol. Fell off and hit my arm. On the 29th day of Christmas, my Torula sent to me. A door closer in a petrol. On the 29th day of Christmas, my Torula sent to me. A door closer in a battery. Please help. It's so heavy. I'm going to die in a minute. It feels so sharp now. On the 29th day of door closer Christmas, Father Christmas sent to me. I put the door closer, especially for me. On the 30th day of Christmas, my Torula sent to me. A door closer in a petrol. On the 31st day of Christmas, my Torula sent to me. A door closer on a petrol. Fuck me, it's so bloody heavy. I feel like a car's on top of me. Help! Can't breathe. Breathe carefully. On the 30th day of Christmas, my Torula sent to me. Door closer and a petrol. On the 31st day of Christmas, my Torula sent to me. A door closer and a petrol. On the 31st day of Christmas, my Torula sent to me. My door closed on a petrol. I'm fall in a minute. On the 35th day of Christmas, my Torula sent to me. Door closed in a petrol. On the 36th day of Christmas, my Torula sent to me. I can't take it anymore. Father Christmas, stop it. You're going to kill me, you bastard. Let me just put all the door closer down before I die. I can't take it anymore. Too many doctors there. The last time I'll ever ask Father Christmas for doctors ever again in my life. Bastard. Oh, they couldn't. Well, at least now before I die I can be rich and true. And that's not all my door closers I had on me. But 250. My door closer dream came true. I know it did, Michelle. Didn't expect to be bombarded with so many. I know I've had builders be really kind to me a few weeks ago. I told them I was doing a project on them, which I am. So I got 10 door closers off a building site for free, because they gave me them. Then I got another 28 I ordered off eBay. Then I got another guy that comes and brings them around when he's finished doing jobs on the building, because he gets rid of them. So instead of him throwing them away and putting them on Gumtree, he brings them to me. And then there was one I found ages ago, which is this one. And it's so fucking heavy, it could kill you. Ugh, this one is an LCN. They say door closers is the devil's work. Never mind, I'm Satan. So yeah. Look at all of these door closers here. So many. So many. Over there, over there. 2 boxes full there. There. Got coming up the arsehole and I've got one on the door. Oh, you're not going to stop, Michelle, till you got a 2000. Yeah, I know. I want to go for the pot belly door closers as well. The old Britain Centurion ones. I've seen them on eBay. I really like those ones. They're really nice. Michelle is too ugly, everyone. I've been told I need to... I'm too ugly. I need to get myself off YouTube because I'm too ugly, apparently. Too ugly. God, please help me. I need face fillers. Let's have a look. You think I'm fucking joking, bruv? Plastic surgery. Thanks for watching, guys. Merry Christmas.